Thank you for the opportunity to talk about something that I think is often a little bit out of focus, and that is the actual operation of the systems. There is a lot of focus on the rating standards and so on, whereas a huge amount of energy is wasted from the operation. It's not enough that we get product ratings and we buy more and more efficient systems. There is a much higher saving potential in making the system operate as well as they can versus as designing them better. Of course, we should design them better, but it's key that we operate them well as also. So there is a lot of transition today. I mean, the focus on sustainability, also the large investors is saying that sustainability risks are an investment risk, which is changing the focus. And the equipment owners, they are under a lot of pressure, and they are not, I mean, air conditioning, refrigeration is maybe not there because they want it. They need to keep the temperatures. So it's kind of a side thing to deliver what they need. So they have all the regulatory requirements, they have NGOs, investors, and competition. And then there is some stupid technology that they depend on. So I saw in the polls that the contractors still, or that the respondents said that many still focus on low cost. And this is ridiculous because of the cost of an air conditioner refrigeration system is mainly the operating cost, not the investment cost.